Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a different perspective of the fuel injectors. I got this one from the junkyard. So it's the full rack where the fuel injectors they are connected. Um, so when you go to take this off, this is the position that the rack is, and it's being held for two 12 millimeter bolt. There's one over here and another one over here. Also has some clips that they go on top of the um, injectors. So they go right here. I'm going to show you my car, how everything looks like. But for me, the most important part is to show you how these clips they work. I'm just going to turn this. It's easy to see what's going on here. You can take these clips with your hands. You see, this is like holding right there, so you just move it with your fingers. Just take this out. All right. So another thing, I just put my phone in my legs. Try to explain a little bit how am I going to put this clip back. So I had the clip, and right here there is a gap. This is like a little plastic thing that is out. So if we flash that, we can put the clip on. So the plastic thing goes inside. Let me see if you can see it. The plastic thing goes inside this metal. See if I can show you. See? Anyways, when you're gonna put it on, a lot of people they had a hard time to put the injectors on in the rail, because first they put the injectors and then they put the clip, or they try to put the clip. But when you put the clip before, you just push it, and that's it. It's gonna be right there. It's not gonna move. You see? When you try to put the injector without the clip, what happens is, let me take this clip off. Use my two hands to do it. Okay. What happened is, when you put this inside, you push it inside, and you try to put the clip, then the gap that is you're supposed to put the clip on is far inside. So you just had to take this a little bit out and put the clip on. But this is so difficult, when the rail is going to be like this and you can't see. Basically, you had to go by touch um, to put this inside the rail. So it's easy when you put the clip on, and you know it's going to be easy just to put the clean on before, and you just to put the whole thing on, inside the rack. Okay, I'm going to show you my car because I'm going to give you a couple tips. All right, first of all, so you need to take these 3 bolts right here on top. You take it with the Allen wrench. So I took this already. Mine, I had 10mm bolts right there, but original, the car they come with the Allen wrench. So take this off. So I put green where the injectors they're supposed to be. Let me see if I can. All right, so that's one injector and 1 bolt. The second injector, the second is right here, so the paper fell off. And this is the third, and it's another one close where I had this wrench. All right, to make it easy to take this bolt out, point it to you, this bolt right here, and there is another one 12mm at the other side. I use this extension with this curve right here, so it was easy for me to go in. So it's easy for me to go in right there, and I use this pipe to break that bolt because that bolt is going to be really hard to take it off. So anyways, this is the easy bolt, and I have another one right here. So we're going to have another one down there. So I use this extension, and what I do, I use a pry bar. So I move this plastic thing. You gotta be very careful, but you know this plastic thing is very hard. I move this thing, and I make, I put this wrench right over there. Then you're gonna find, where the injectors they are. You're gonna find some clips. It's kind of like these coils right here. These coils, you go straight, and you're gonna find the clip. Okay, now it's covered with the tape, the green tape. You're gonna find, let me show you. You'll find that clip right there. Let me see if I can show you better. So it's a clip that it looks something like this. So you have to press and release it. So it's kind of like exactly like this, but it's down there. Okay, you see it? This is one of the clips right there. That one right there. It's one of the clips. So it's 4. So Yeah, I found that that's kind of like the, you know, very important part. How do you use the wrench? Because those bolts are hard. Then you go here, and let me pause the video. Okay, then you go right here, and we're gonna take this fuel pump fuse. Oh, it's right here. Okay, we're gonna take the fuel pump fuse. This is the first one right here, and you'll see in the box it says fuel pump is the first one right there. Fuel pump. Okay, fuel pump. Oh, focus. Then you go inside the car and you crank the car twice, kind of like gonna release that pressure. Okay, we crank it once, crank it twice. Okay, so now we're gonna release all the gasoline that is in the lines. Then we're gonna put back the fuse. Okay, we're putting back the fuse. Then the next step is to take the negative from the battery off. And then we can start working, disconnecting the injectors. You see, there is one, it's gray, it's next to the bolt. Let's see if I can point it. This is the second one. Okay, I'm gonna try to point it. There's one right here. This is the bolt. Ooh, such a bad angle. This is the bolt. Well, a little bit hard to see, but when you go to a car, you're gonna see them. So you go straight to the coils, and you're gonna see one. Actually, this is number 4. You go this coil number 3. Go this coil number 2, and this one right here, close to this metal bracket, is number 1. I see a lot of people taking off this metal tin, this bracket, to be access to take that bolt off. It's not necessary. If you want to do it, you're going to have more space, but it's more work. I try, when I do my things, I try to do less work. Well, all right, guys. I just wanted to show you the thing about the injectors. You see a lot of videos how to take the injectors out. I just wanted to show you like a different perspective about how the clips they're connected, and how you can put the injectors back in your car. All right. Have a good day. I hope this video helps someone and give you like a different idea, about how to uh, remove the injectors.